word. I'm just kidding. JK. Girl, I was just kidding.
I was just kidding.
Mm-hmm.
A joke man make.
A joke me I make.
A joke man make.
Like if somebody told me that I look pregnant, and I'm like, oh, and they be like, oh, a joke me I make.
A joke man make.
A joke me I make.
Yeah. Good.
A girl was just playing with you. I was just playing.
A joke man make.
JK, girl. All jokes. We be saying jokes. Like you just said the word jokes.
Jokes.
Jokes. Jokes. Anyway, okay. That ain't even funny.
That ain't even funny.
That ain't even funny.
That ain't even funny. But I laugh.
Me not laugh.
But I laugh.
So somebody
That ain't even funny.
that Nathan. You Dave and R. David. Okay, I'm learning. Cram. You Pison. I'm learning.
Never. That never funny. I have to slap your lap with it.
Not even.
Yeah. Contracted to never.
Don't even.
Never.
Won't even.
With I think me ever said that one day.
She waving going to school tomorrow. She waving. Is that a word for real?
No, bro. Got bro here waving.
Y'all say David and Haven and David and Craven. Might as well say waving. All right. Whatever. So, hold on. So, me not laugh.
I laugh.
Me not laugh. Nevin funny.
Yeah.
Nevin funny.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what'd you say before Nevin? It's Nevin funny?
And name E.
Eh.
Yeah. It never funny.
Me not laugh.
Or you say you never funny.
You Nevin funny.
Yeah, you're not.
Me not laugh. You Nevin funny.
Nah.
Me nah laugh.
Yeah.
Me nah laugh. You Nevin funny.
You never funny.
You Nevin funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, Chile. They gonna know I'm not from Jamaica when I go. I'm gonna be like, you're not even funny. Oh, where you there? You there,
You
Alabama?
have to lose the accent, my girl. Lose the accent.
I'm trying.
You're not even funny. Like who?
You're not even funny. Wagwan with you. Okay. Last word. Please say it in American, please.
Let me see. Electric City.
Girl.
Electric City.
Electric City. Where is that at? Where did they do that at?
Electric City.
You're putting too many C's in it.
Electric City.
There it is.
Electric City.
No, not electricity. Stop putting a stop in the middle. Full
Electric.
stop in the middle.
You know the biggie.
You know the middle.
You're getting good.
Electricity.
Electricity.
Good. Electric city. Is
Electric City.
No,
When I have no electricity.
Is that really how y'all
That
say
is,
it?
oh, it is, yeah. You know something now? No electricity? Or electricity?
No electricity.
Or no power?
Electricity.
You don't say power.
No power.
No.
That sounded African. Do it again.
You want me to sound African?
No, I want you to sound Jamaican.
No power.
No power. No black power.
Yeah, we're not.
No electricity.
City.
Electric city.
T.
No electricity. God dang it. Say it again.
Electric City.
No electricity.
Yeah.
That was bad, wasn't it? No electricity.
I'm an light.
That's like elastic.
Lasket. Lasket bun.
Girl, rubber band. Rubber band.
Rubber band. You sound country.
Electric city.
Mm-hmm.
City.
City. Mm-hmm.
No electricity.
Mm-hmm.
No power.
No.
No power.
I just said, no light.
Me nah no light. No electricity.
City.
I'm thinking so hard. Whew, no power.
How do you say open the curtains?
Open the curtain.
Open the curtain.
Open the curtain up.
Open up the curtain then.
Whoop up the curtain them.
Yep, start with a W.
Open up the curtain them. The girl I breed.
I draw the curtain.
Draw the curtain. That's what you pull out, a drawer.
Yeah. Drawers?
Drawer.
Drawers.
Drawer.
Roll your butt.
Up and down, up and down.
Draw.
Drawer. Like roar, but put a jur in front of it.
Draw. Drawer? But can't say it, Livy.
Girl,
Open the drawer.
what do the lion say?
Roar.
Drawer.
Drawer. Drawer. Drawer. We can't do it.
Drawer. Drawer.
That's the only way I can get it out.
It's in the top drawer.
It's on the top jar.
It's in the top jar. Girl, a jar.
Draw.